Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Gran Canaria and we're just outside the tropical shopping centre. Look at the views again. If you've just seen the last video, we ended it just over there. Yeah, check them views, absolutely stunning. So you can go down there, there's a lot of bars, restaurants. There's actually a Russian bar that didn't like us filming when we came here last time. I poked the camera in there so you've seen it. So this is a tropical shopping centre. Animals are prohibited. Not prohibited. Should we stop for a drink? Because I am thirsty actually. Let's see if we can find a 150 beer and we'll stop. I showed these on the live the other day. These lobsters, if you can see them. Look at it there. Waiting for somebody to eat them. What we got there? Also get 2 drinks for a tenner. It's not too bad. Let's take you inside quickly. Go down these steps in a second. Let's have a quick look at this view. So you have your lovely meals. You can sit there just looking at these views. So let's take you downstairs, show you around this little shopping centre. This one's not too bad, it's got quite a few bars in. At night time they've got entertainment. Live pianist, I think. Something like that was up here last time. Guitar guy with a guitar. So you've got all your boutiques. So yeah, if you like shopping, Gran Canaria, there's so many clothes shops. But again, I just feel everything is the same. I got that top there, the Brazil top, when I was in Turkey last week. I think I got it for free actually. I won't lie. The lovely guy gave me 3 t-shirts actually. I got 3 t-shirts and Sabrina got a jumper. That's from the lovely people at Helena Boutique. So if you've seen that video, thank you for watching it. If you can share it, even be better. Yeah, this is what's this, Indian? We did a Gran Asia, okay, Asian. We did a live from there. And they're playing Christmas music, and this is in February, mid-February we came here. And they were playing Christmas music in the background, which was quite funny. I think it was this little bar here. I tried to film when I was walking through back in February. They told me, don't film. Oh, God, alright. What are you trying to hide? Right, let's have a little walk over here, see what's on this side. This is the limit of where I've been. So everything from this onwards is all brand new to me. My camera says it's got 29% battery left, so maybe make a few more videos before it runs out. These cameras last quite a while. Actually, no, I've been down, I tell a lie. I went down these steps to get to the beach. I went down to that beach with Sabrina back in February. So you might find it like, wonder if it's warm enough to go to the beach in January, February in the Canaries, and 100% it's roasting. It is not cold in the Canaries, and at 25 degrees in October. That's with a wind. I thought that just said it was 1 o'clock, but no. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's the 13th, that's what it's telling me. Because it is the 13th. So, dolphin, 37 euros. But that doesn't have drinks and food included. Because when you go to Marmaris, for 35 euros you get unlimited drinks. Check this little hotel out. You get unlimited drinks in Marmaris. soft drinks, alcoholic drinks, spirits, wines, beers, everything. 35 euros. That's like on the big ones, like they hold like up to 1,500 people. And then you've got their more intimate one that was we went on, which was whoa, I can't remember the name. Was it the Donna Maria? No, Diana. We went on a Diana excursion, boat excursion. That one cost a lot more. So that one was £50, sorry. 6 hours. And we stopped off on four places for a swim. We went to Trunch. I've had a good hour around Trunch, walking around. If you've seen them videos, thank you for watching. And yeah, basically you didn't have to move. When you're on the boat, you stay in your seat. As you can get up if you want, you can walk around, do what you want. But drink-wise, food, you just stay sat down. They come up to you and they serve you right where you are. They see your drink empty, they bring you a fresh one straight away. There's no, please sir, can I have a drink? You don't need to say nothing. Just notice your drink is empty and then nod at you and they'll bring you a fresh one. Now someone told me that we got ripped off, but you tell me if on them big ones, so you got 1,500 people, or even 1,000 or 800 people, and they give you that type of service. I think the Diana can only hold 90, I think they said 96 people, which is more intimate. So they've got more time to serve you. So you've got supermarkets right here, taxi rank, and then this is the bus stop here. If you want to go to the airport and you're down this area, come straight here. You don't need to buy a ticket before. Just do your little touch with your little phone or scan your bank card and take you wherever you want to go. You go all over the island right from here. There's a Depart Tropical bus stop. You have got a person in there that can help you if you want help. So I find the buses really cheap. I think it cost me €4.50 to get from the airport to here, which is a hell of a lot cheaper. It took 30 minutes, literally 30 minutes. So you got to think you're going to pay 30 something euros in a taxi, and it will still take you 30 minutes to get here. No difference. They can't go any faster than what the bus can go. And yeah, it's going to cost you a hell of a lot more. So yeah, there's a Hotel Park Tropical. We stayed literally in that corner, ground floor corner apartment. Really nice apartment. It's lovely, lovely owner. And yeah, let's go on the other side of the road. Show you what's on that side, because there's nothing on this side. So yeah, we stayed just there. I did want to try this Indian, but won't be this visit now, because I'm going home. And I'm going to have a cheap pizza from Lidl, which I'll probably take you on that Lidl's walk to show you. It's absolutely crazy where you got to get there. So, Pedro's. It's always very busy at night time, Pedro's. Every single time I've come past. Busy, busy. And they've got a pool table, okay. Very cool. Yeah, got these Sabine shops. Sabina. They've just got bags, trainers. But these are quite everywhere over Gran Canaria. You've got Intersport across the road as well, with the 1 millionth spa of the island. I'll tell you what, I'm going to end the video outside this lovely 4-star hotel. So guys, if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe, because it will help us immensely get to that 10,000. We're trying to get to 10,000. And yeah, like, comment, share the video to your family and friends, and I'll catch you on a very next video.